I'm going to hand it over to Crypto Poppy, and we'll be doing technical analysis on NCT PolySwarm. All right, Crypto Poppy, go ahead, do your thing.
I want to cough.
He's a little sick.
Yeah, I'm just getting over a cold. We have PolySwarm paired with the US dollar, weekly time frame, data coming from Coinbase. So we could zoom out here a little bit to take a better look. You could see, when was this? This was January 6, 2025, so just about a month ago. You could see we made a nice parabolic run. We wicked up all the way up here, sort of to no man's land, but between the 618 movements, the 1 and the 2, before getting rejected back down. And you could see when we did get rejected back down, we have our overhead trend line, which was from May 9th, 2022, second touch point, June 13th, 2022, and it's extended out to the right. And you can see we've stayed below it for multiple years before coming up to retest it, rejected off of it, broke back above it, rejected down, stayed below it for quite some time, created a new Fibonacci, started to move up to the upside, finally broke above it, thought we were never going to come back to it before we get rejected, close above it, but pretty much come right back below it. I mean, those are both technically closes above it, but close and to open above the trend line, but we just melted right back below it. You could see when we rejected to it, we came down and wicked down to the 0.78 Fibonacci level, and we're just currently on a downtrend here, finally finding some support at current price at about 3 cents. So NCT looks good. Obviously not from being rejected to the upside, but it looks like it steadily wants to move up to the upside. You could see here our first movement to the upside, came back down. It took some time. We started to curve up to the upside, pumped up all the way up to the moon to about 11 cents before coming back down to about 3 cents. So let's see what the market has in play. Currently, we're creating a higher low than our previous lows. So everything for NCT looks good. Let's see if the momentum can continue.
We should mention too, but I'm sure you heard about it if you were on crypto news too, that the market crashed because Trump announced tariffs on Mexico, Canada, and China. This will be considered a dump. So the entire, just not just the crypto market, even the stock market and everything, they started dumpings on the bad news. So if you have some cash available still, it's not financial advice, but if you hold any of these coins that we're going to keep talking about, this is not a bad time to dollar cost average. Or if you don't have any money, do not sell. Do not dump your coins right now. This is the worst time you could start dumping your coins. Not financial advice.